the DaVinci dot card palettes. This came wrapped around all of them, and this is what they look like. They are actual little pressed paper palettes. They kind of remind me of an egg carton or something. There's a list of which paint is in which spot. Look at how big these dots are. I mean, like, see how big my fingernail is next to that? There's so much paint on them. You could literally do so many paintings with this, share them with a lot of people. There are paints on here that have warnings on them. Those would require safe studio practices. So if you're going to swatch them out, make sure that you're not eating or drinking while you're doing that. Don't have your water out like where a kid or a pet could get to it. And then dump out the water, wash your hands when you're done. Look at this. It's like a dog hair. They're so pretty. Now some of these are painted already because I did that. I was having fun painting with them. But today I'm going to show you all of them swatched out. First I'm going to flip through what all the colors are. Those are the two that I've painted with so far. This is the blues, which I'm so excited to get to blues. Anybody want to guess what my favorite color is? Oh, this is what the bottom looks like, which is probably what makes me feel like it's egg carton-like. Oh, I forgot to plug in my microphone. Wow, this is a really fun color palette. And then this is the last one. A couple of whites there at the end. Very fun. There, hold that still if you wanted to see the list of all of the paint names and the pigments. Cool. You can see the dots themselves. And try to hold that really still. Wow. This is just the most fun thing ever. And let me hold this still so you can see it if you need to read it. Alright. This up close as well. Can you see that? Excuse me. And then look at this. Once you finish this, this is what it looks like. It's this whole stack of these trays and then the cards that go with them.